Today we are here in New Delhi in India. Together with Smile Foundation, we are donating upcycled bags.
Education, in fact, is the most critical foundation that a child needs to have a useful, fruitful life for himself as well as for the community.
Emirates CSR initiatives are very much focused on education.
A positive impact that these bags make is that they keep the learning material and books safe and in a good shape. Books kept in a good environment lead to good learning.
We fill them with a lot of learning materials and stories for the kids.
It could be something as small as giving them a pen to write better today, or as big as making them board their first flight. Any step that anyone takes to push them towards their future makes them very happy.